What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Truebit update, guys. I know someone requested this on the comment, and it's been a little while since we've updated on Truebit. But as you can see, just based on where we are, not much has happened, and we kind of talked about this, we kind of predicted this. But before we do get into some good old chart analysis and some potential good news or bad news, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you never know which update's going to be a huge help. As always, this is just entertainment education and is not financial advice. So do your own due diligence. Be careful in these crazy crypto spaces. But of course, there's profits to be made. So without further ado, let's get right to the bag. So Truebit, as you can see, a little bit of green on a 24-hour volume, which is, good, but nothing to be too excited about, to be honest. There's nothing there. I highly doubt CMC has any news for Truebit at all. So yeah, there's no real Truebit updates. There's no social media presence. I mean, it's just a good, I guess you could say, solution type useful thing that has not been put to use yet. So it is what it is. Let's check out the holders, of course. Yeah, you can see it's been on a steady decline, right? Steady decline since our last update. And just this between this last 24 hours, a more significant, drop has happened in holders. People are starting to abandon the Truebit train, right? They're starting to hop off, and that happens sometimes, guys. But overall, where we are in price isn't necessarily the worst, okay, or the worst. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, we've been here before. We've been, all the way down to 15 cents. And as you can see right now, we're at 20 cents. So we pretty much rejected off that area right there, which hit and right there. So hit that area, it rejected. Since then, it's been kind of just holding itself at 19, ranging at 19. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily structure. So yeah, it's basically just been really, really consolidating right here at 20 cents, between 20 and 19, just jumping up and down. And that's it, really. There's not much to be excited about. And honestly, between this daily candle and the last ones, I don't really have much of a confirmation either for a specific direction, as I might usually have one that I'm confident in. The only thing I could be confident in, if I'm going to pick one, obviously it's only up or down, right? Bullish or bearish. I will pick bullish. Why? Because we are on a support area. We're in a support area where before we were bullish when we were here. You see this very obvious downtrend, and obviously we're starting to move sideways. So we're consolidating. We're kind of breaking out of this very obvious downtrend that we were in. Not necessarily, because obviously could just go bearish. That's why I'm telling you I'm not really confident 100% in any prediction. But if I were to pick one, I would say bullish, just because we're sitting on a previous support area where we did see bullish movement from, and also just overall this whole area. So that's how I'm feeling, guys. I'm still bullish in Truebit. Not losing all hope, not yet, at least. There's still some hope. So I'm going to let it do its thing, give it some time. I'll update when I see something significant happen or some kind of pattern forming or something. But right now, there's not much to be excited about based on what I'm seeing on these candles. Let's go ahead and check the 4 hours. Let's see what's going on over there. I mean, no, if I were to pick anything, I'd be bullish, right? Because we're just bouncing, we're trending up. We're starting to trend up gradually in a 4-hour time frame, higher lows, higher highs, gradually in this area here. So if I were to predict anything, I would say bullish from this area, which would be great, because if it did go bullish from this area, it would somewhat form a double bottom and therefore give us some confirmation for some bullish behavior. So we'll see, but I do think bullish is what we're going to see from now until tomorrow and maybe the rest of the week. But overall, for next week, a couple weeks, we could seriously just still be ranging between 22 and 19. So I'll keep an eye on it. If anything happens, any updates, guys, as always, if you know anything, comment below. put the link of your resource so we can look into if there's any news or updates on anything related to Truebit. We would appreciate that. As always, guys, until the next video, stay blessed and stay bullish.